This is for Year 12 Methods. It comes out of the Technology Refresher Masterclass question number 12, which is another function notation question. So which of these functions satisfies these conditions? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the judge function on my calculator. I'm going to put judge this, and I'm going to define f of x to equal a, b, c, d, and find out which one gives me true as an answer. Okay, so I'm going to start with my define, and I'll start with part A. So x plus y is my definition, is my function, x plus y. Just press x to make sure it's all okay, it is, and I'll go interactive define. So I define f of x to equal that. Now I'd like to do judge, so I go into the catalogue, I come across to J, whoops, J was there already, I choose judge, and I input it, and then I go back, and I've inputted two of them. So let's get rid of those. And I wish for f of x all squared. So I'm going to set up some brackets, and inside the brackets I'm going to put f of x, and that's going to be all squared, times f of y all squared. So I might just pick this up, put that there, and change that to a y. And that's got to equal f of 2x plus 2y. And close my bracket for the function judge. And the first one tells me it's undefined. Sometimes it's correct, sometimes it's not. Now what I'd like to do is to change my option to the square root of x, which is option B. And when I press XE, it will redefine and redo my judge. And it tells me it's also undefined. Part C, e to the x, I get rid of that. And I do e to the x. And when I press XE, oh, true. Okay, so C is the right answer. Just to demonstrate that I don't get the right answers for the other ones, the third one is log base e, so there's my log base e of x, and I get an undefined, and lastly 1 on x. And when I press XE, I also get an undefined. So for A, B, D and E, sometimes it's true and sometimes it's not. It's only C when it always was true.